Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk business. This thing is a beast. AIPER sent me this surfer. This is the Surfer S2, which is actually the upgrade from the S1 and the M1. This thing is more powerful. This thing is bigger. This thing lasts for last, and it's gonna give you a really good kind of like battery running time. But not only that, because this thing is solar like the predecessors as well, but also when you charge it with the cable, it's gonna give you 35 hours of runtime. Also, it's so easy to clean. So if you don't like to kind of like skim your pool and those leaves, those like debris or things like that, this is what you want. It comes with plenty of sensors. You can use the app as well and just manage it on the distance 24/7, but it also comes with a really nice and smart sensors that is going to actually make it bounce, not actually kind of like skim to the walls and things like that. But also one more thing, which I think it is really important, this is what you're going to put on the water intake on your pool. So this one actually don't go inside. So this is a bigger unit. You gotta kind of like understand that first. Also, it's not much heavier than the other one, but it's a little bit heavier. This is the big solar panel, which is fantastic. Of course, the whole unit is waterproof. This is what you're gonna turn it on and off. This is your Wi-Fi sign, and this is your sign that this one is gonna be charged. Also, right here, you're gonna find the rollers for when it's kind of going on the actual wall and bouncing and just like scrolling through the wall, not damaging any of your pool painting and things like that. This is gonna be your charging, and right here you also gonna find, which is gonna be the sensors. It has a smart sensors right here, which is make it to be such accurate when cleaning the pool and using the auto parking, because it also comes with auto parking. I really like that it also comes with this handle, so you don't like to fish it with a hook or something like that, and bigger wheels right here or rotors, so this thing actually won't be kind of like smashing through against the walls per se. Well, I keep my pool pretty much clean, I have to say. So what I have to do to show you how good this one works, it's just this. We're going to do that. We're going to let it sink just a little bit or get it wet. And then we're going to drop this guy over there, the Surfer S2, and you're going to see how good this thing is. So you long press it, and one thing that I'm going to mention is that the parking spot on this one, I already set it up on the other side of the pool where the stairs are, where the steps are. So this one is not going to be auto parking right away. It's going to measure the whole area one more time. But now, let's actually do this. Go that way. You're going to see this. This is kind of like a magical thing, I have to say. So it slows down when it detects kind of like debris or things like that, and it's gonna be like circulating, and it's gonna start like going in circles and going to the wall as well. So check this out. So now it's gonna go to the wall. As I was just saying before, it's gonna recognize the wall and it's gonna bounce to the other way. So we're gonna actually wait till it comes back, because now I think that based on the position that I dropped it right here, it's gonna make kind of like that and go back and go back and go back and go back, and then probably go to the other parking spot. I like how it looks actually. It looks really cool to see this skimming the whole thing. I do wanna show you how it's gonna approach that wall and come back right away. So let's wait for that till the sensors kick in. You can see wall is being reached by the sensor. And now check this out. Goes against the wall with the rotors or with the rollers. And then it's going to reach that wall and it's going to start like circulating to the other way and aiming this way, which I think that the technology in this thing is pretty much fantastic. So then when it reaches this way, it's going to come this way, which I think, again, one more time, I mean, this is just fantastic. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to even clean. So for a pool this size, it will take about 90 minutes, I have to say. But for bigger pools, of course, it depends on how big it is. But you can just let it harness the power of the sun, and you don't have to do anything. It's just like it can be 24/7, and you can manage that with the app as well, which again, I think it is the beauty of this thing, that you don't have to do anything at all. In the end, it's going to clean the whole thing, and then kind of like cleaning the actual device is going to be so easy. Let's check that out. Well, I cleaned it already, but if you want to see how hard this thing is, check this out. This is everything you will have to do. And then when you take this container, you will unlock it and take everything out, rinse and repeat. When you're done, you're gonna push it back right away and you're all set. This thing is fantastic. sensors everywhere. It won't be kind of like smashing your walls or damaging your paint. It has the rollers. It has the big solar panel. You can charge it with cable, 35 hours runtime, on and off. You don't have to move a finger. You can monitor with the app and just make sure that your pool is going to be cleaning the surface. AIPER did it again. They mean quality. They don't mess around.